Vaccine hesitancy is part of the reason why we've had low numbers of registrations. That's according to health authorities, who say they are quite concerned. And to remedy this, health officials and community healthcare workers going door to door to register people on the electronic vaccine data system and using influencers to help spread the message. Aisha Ismail reports.
One of South Africa's oldest influencers, Archbishop Desmond Tutu and his wife Leah, got their jabs today. The Arch, after being observed for a few minutes, came out and gave the vaccination process the thumbs up. Other faith-based leaders also stood in line for their jabs, with some describing it as an amazing opportunity, given that hundreds of people who did not have access to vaccines died in the past year.
This is 15 minutes ago I had this vaccine. I'm standing here, not shaking, not having a headache, and there are many people who are doubting the vaccine. Please, for God's sake, take the vaccine.
Western Cape Head of Health Keith Clutty has described the second phase launch as an emotional one.
It was emotional for me on the 17th of February when healthcare workers got their first vaccine. But today, the 17th of May, when people over the 60 gets their vaccines, it's emotional because we now can start going and actually give dignity to the life of people over the age of 60 that have been living in fear for the better part of 12 months, that have been isolated from their families, that have been at risk of contracting COVID.
This, he says, is the first step towards normalizing societies, communities and families. Aisha Ismail, Cape Town.